Have you ever wondered how to enhance your health and beauty routine naturally? Ever considered incorporating safflower? This vibrant and versatile flower is not just a feast for the eyes. Throughout history, cultures worldwide have harnessed the power of safflower for its remarkable health and beauty benefits. From heart health to radiant skin and hair, safflower's versatile uses are as diverse as the vivid hues of its petals. So, are you ready? Dive in as we explore the world of safflower, your new golden secret to well-being. Safflower is more than just a pretty flower. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unleashed. Imagine a golden oil, rich in omega-6 fatty acids, that could support your heart by reducing cholesterol levels. That's safflower oil for you. It doesn't stop at heart health, though. The linoleic acid in this vibrant flower's oil aids weight management and improves body composition. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, helping to soothe inflammation within the body. But there's more. Safflower boasts a wealth of antioxidants that shield our cells from damage by combating free radicals. Women may find comfort in safflower tea, which can alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Safflower also supports liver function and detoxification, aids digestion, and can even boost your immune system. Clearly, safflower is a golden treasure trove of health benefits. But safflower isn't just about health, it's a beauty aficionado's dream come true. This golden flower hides a wealth of beauty benefits within its vibrant petals. For starters, safflower oil is a natural moisturizer that can leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. Its rich content of linoleic acid makes it a potent ally for your hair, too. This essential fatty acid has been linked to promoting hair growth and strengthening hair follicles. Imagine having a head full of luscious, strong hair, thanks to this golden flower. You can easily incorporate safflower oil into your daily beauty routine, using it as a facial serum, a body oil, or even as a hair mask. With safflower, radiant skin and luscious hair aren't just dreams, they can be your reality. Now that you're aware of the power of safflower, you're probably wondering how to add it to your routine. It's simpler than you might think. Start by swapping out your regular cooking oil for safflower oil. It's a healthy alternative that can support heart health and weight management. Also, consider using safflower oil in your beauty treatments. It's a fantastic moisturizer that promotes skin radiance and hair growth. With safflower, a healthier and more radiant you is just a routine away. So let's recap the golden journey we've embarked on today. We've discovered safflower's remarkable health benefits, from heart health to weight management, and its beauty advantages, like radiant skin and luscious hair. Remember, safflower is your golden key to unlock a world of health and beauty. Why wait? Start your safflower journey today.